Believe this or not, it's the third time trying to record this video because the first time the audio file was corrupted and the second time I ran without memory on my SD card, which is in the camera, and so Today guys, I want to show you how I've made myself a financial sheet, why I've made myself a financial sheet, and why you should have one. First of all, a whiteboard. Just like any other financial development and personal development YouTuber out there. I've got a question for you. Why? Why would you want a financial sheet? Personally, I wanted a financial sheet because I wanted to see how much of my payments, my payments in a month are necessities. Okay? How much of them are non-investments and how much of them are investments? Where does my money go? That's my why. It could be your why too, only you know this. Well, I want to see if my money makes other money. Because when you invest your money, I mean when you're not investing your money and you're buying a lot of non-investments and a lot of things that you don't really need, that's the moment when your money goes and you'll never see them coming back. So you need assets, you need investments. And I will now go to the PC and I will show you how and much important, which are necessities, in my opinion, non-investments and investments. Let's get into it. Here we are, Google Sheets. Why do I use Google Sheets? Because one, I can use it here on my PC and here on my phone and there on my tablet or anywhere. And two, me and my girlfriend, we can use it simultaneously. I mean, more than one user can use it and edit it. Now, let's click this button here, blank. I will rename it something like July financial sheet or financial report or whatever you like. Date. Only if you want. It's not important, the date. Now, necessities, details, and I will copy this right here and right here. And now, investments. Okay. Pretty good. So far, pretty good. Okay. Let's write here. Here. Total necessities, non-investments and investments. You will see why. One of my personal things in life is that I like to make everything I use look fancy. So I will click here, here, and here. And I will change the color, something like this, yeah. I will change the date color, something like this. Okay. And here, I want to, again, something like this. Yeah, it looks good. Now, let's say on the 5th, okay. On the 5th of the month, I had to buy myself some food, so I can write here for like 80 bucks. I've bought myself some food, and for 15 on the 6th, I bought myself some water. That's some necessities. Or I had to pay myself the rent, so let's see. Rent, and I had to, I don't know, necessities. Now I want to buy myself some shoes. are shoes investments, non-investments, or necessities? If you already have shoes and you want to have more shoes just because you like shoes, that's a non-investment in my personal opinion. But what if I have only one pair of shoes, which by the way I have only one. Actually now I have two. But if I only have one pair of shoes and I really need a new pair of shoes, then that's a necessity. But let's say I have a lot of shoes and I would like to buy myself another pair. Okay, let's see. Shoes. Now, investments. Something like web hosting. Something like creative cloud subscription. I had to buy myself a new camera lens. These are investments. They give me money back. I can use them to make money. So they are investments. Now, let's get here. I will click necessities, go here to the functions button, sum, and I will drag down something like this and press enter. It will sum automatically all the entries here. Now, non-investments, sum. Hop. Hop. Now, total, sum these. Now, at the end of the month, I will have somehow a way to look back at what I bought and why, because that's how you make assets. I am so thankful that you watched this video till the end. Don't forget to share it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I really hope this is a good take so I can upload this video.